When your royal icing is ready, you can add drops of lemon juice or vinegar, and if you don't have any of those, you can use water. Make sure it's of dropping consistency, and you can paint your royal icing in any color. So the rest part of this video, I just show you how to apply this. So that's how to use your drip without chocolate. And if you don't like royal icing, you can use your glucose with icing sugar, just a drop of water, but it's a little runny. So I would advise that you watch out on your royal icing. It must not be too light. Okay, so the rest of the video will show you how to apply this. This is the pink color that we've prepared, and I'm pouring it into the piping bag. So I'll apply it just like I've applied the white one. Paint your drip in gold using edible gold color with edible spirit. Okay, you can see my buttercream cake with the drip, and that's my gelatin cell. Have fun making this.